Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone and seeing thousands of dollars roll into your account, all from a bizarre, little-known online hustle. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you, people are cashing in big with some of the weirdest, most unheard-of ways to make money online. And today, I'm spilling all the secrets. You won't believe number 7? Let's get into it. Get ready to be amazed. A digital landlord renting out virtual real estate. What is it? Ever heard of flipping real estate? The internet has its own version. People are buying and renting out digital properties in virtual worlds like Decentraland and the Sandbox, making a fortune. With the rise of the metaverse, digital real estate has skyrocketed in value. How it works, just like in real life, virtual properties in the metaverse can be bought, sold, and rented out. Brands, influencers, and event organizers are paying thousands to get prime digital space where they can host virtual events, build stores, and engage audiences. Case study. One investor bought a plot in Decentraland for $1,500 and flipped it for $15,000 in just 6 months after a major company wanted the location for a virtual store. How to get started? Research platforms like Decentraland, the Sandbox, and Somnium Space. Buy low-traffic areas with potential growth. Lease or resell your land to brands and businesses. Attend virtual real estate seminars and online courses to stay updated. Use digital property management tools to keep track of your assets. Join virtual real estate communities and forums to network with other digital landlords. Develop a solid investment strategy by analyzing market trends and planning your digital investments. With the right approach, you can become a successful digital landlord and expand your virtual property portfolio. AI-powered chatbot flipping. What is it? Businesses are desperate for automated customer support and engagement. Instead of creating a chatbot for your own business, why not build and sell AI chatbots to companies that need them? How it works. Using AI-powered tools like ManyChat, ChatFuel, or OpenAI's GPT-based models, you can create customer service or sales chatbots. Once built, you can sell them as a service or license them out for recurring income. Success story. John Esperson, an entrepreneur, built a chatbot for a local restaurant, charging them $3,000 upfront and a $200 per month maintenance fee. How to get started. Learn how to create chatbots with AI tools. Reach out to local businesses and pitch chatbot automation. Offer maintenance services for recurring income. Expand your knowledge. Attend webinars and online courses to stay updated on the latest AI advancements. Network. Connect with other entrepreneurs and potential clients at business events. Monitor performance. Regularly check and improve your chatbots to ensure they meet client needs. Celebrate success. As your business grows, celebrate your achievements and continue to innovate. Niche meme merch selling virality. What is it? Memes aren't just for laughs, they're big business. Entrepreneurs are turning viral internet jokes into print-on-demand merchandise and making serious cash. How it works. You create t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters featuring trending meme designs. Once you upload them to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon, you make money every time someone orders a product with your design. Pro tip. Use Google Trends and Reddit to spot emerging memes before they go mainstream. How to get started. Keep up with viral content on social media. Use Canva or Photoshop to create quick designs. Upload to print-on-demand platforms and start selling. Expand your product range to include phone cases, socks, and even stickers. Track your sales and celebrate your success. Voice cloning for content creators. What is it? Use AI voice cloning software like 11 Labs or Resemble AI to create realistic AI-generated voices. Sell personalized voice packs or create unique AI-generated audiobooks, ads, or narration. How it works. Businesses, YouTubers, and podcasters need unique voiceovers, but hiring voice actors can be expensive. By offering AI-generated voices, you can sell custom voice packs or narrate entire projects at scale. Success story. A freelancer on Fiverr made $20,000 in 1 year just by creating custom AI voices for YouTubers. How to get started. Experiment with free AI voice cloning tools. Offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Create a portfolio of voice samples. Voice cloning can also help content creators save time and maintain consistency in their projects. Imagine having a digital assistant that can narrate your videos or podcasts while you focus on other tasks. The possibilities are endless with AI voice cloning. Selling digital escape room experiences. What is it? The escape room industry is booming, and now, people are creating digital escape rooms for corporate team building and entertainment. How it works. You can design virtual puzzles, riddles, and mystery adventures that people can play online. These experiences can be tailored to different themes and difficulty levels. Companies, schools, and game enthusiasts are willing to pay for these experiences. They offer a unique way to engage participants and foster teamwork. How to get started. Research popular escape room themes. Look into what makes certain themes more engaging and successful. Use Canva and Google Forms to create interactive challenges. These tools are user-friendly and can help you design professional-looking puzzles. Market your escape room kits to companies and event planners. Highlight the benefits of your escape rooms, such as team building and problem-solving skills. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and online advertisements to reach a wider audience. Building a strong online presence can help attract more clients. Renting out your face for AI avatars. What is it? AI companies need diverse faces to train their models, and they're paying individuals to license their likeness for digital avatars and NPCs, or non-playable characters, in video games. How it works. By signing up with AI firms and gaming companies, you can license your facial data for virtual characters, training models, and even influencer-based digital clones. How to get started. Sign up with AI firms or NFT avatar projects that pay for digital facial rights. Offer to license your face for use in AI-generated media. The demand for diverse faces is growing as AI and gaming industries expand. Your face could be the next big thing in virtual reality or digital marketing. Not only can you earn money, but you also get to be part of the cutting-edge technology shaping the future of digital interactions. So if you're comfortable with the idea, renting out your face for AI avatars can be a lucrative and exciting opportunity. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Share this video with your friends who are also looking to make money online. Join our community, and let's grow together. Data brokering selling unique datasets. What is it? Businesses and researchers are hungry for data, and if you can collect unique, valuable insights, they'll pay top dollar for it. By gathering niche data, like consumer trends, market research, or industry analytics, you can sell it to businesses or data brokers. How to get started? Gather specialized data from social media trends, niche industry stats, or consumer habits. Sell it on platforms like DataHub or Kaggle. Use web scraping tools or data collection software to automate the process. Educate yourself with online courses or webinars on data analytics and brokering. Network with industry professionals at conferences and events to find potential buyers. Negotiate and finalize deals to maximize your profits. NFT-powered subscription services. What is it? Instead of just selling NFTs as collectibles, entrepreneurs are creating exclusive subscription services where NFT holders get special perks, access, or content. Example, a fitness trainer launched an NFT that granted lifetime access to their premium coaching group, making 6 figures in weeks. How to get started? Identify a niche with high-value content. Create NFTs using OpenSea or Rarible. Offer exclusive benefits to NFT holders. Expand your reach by hosting exclusive events and building a community around your NFT subscription service. Promote your service through social media and collaborations with influencers to attract more subscribers. Track your progress and continuously improve your offerings to keep your subscribers engaged and satisfied. AI-generated art and stock media. What is it? AI-generated art, stock photos, and music are in high demand. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy allow you to sell AI-created visuals and digital assets. How it works. Using AI-powered tools, you can create unique artwork, music, or video footage and sell them as digital assets. How to get started. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion to create digital art. Sell on stock media platforms and Etsy. Examples include AI-generated music, video, and visual art. The market for AI-generated content is growing rapidly. Final thoughts? Your turn to cash in. The internet is a goldmine, and these unique, crazy ways to make money online prove that if you're willing to think outside the box, there's serious cash to be made. Whether you want to be a digital landlord, an AI voice dealer, or the next meme millionaire, the opportunities are endless. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Take these ideas, make them your own, and start your journey today. The future is yours to shape. Until next time, keep dreaming big and making those dreams a reality.